Hello everybody, Rajni here, Sashakt Empowering Lives. So, yesterday I went with my family to watch the IPL. Wow, yay! Yeah, I had told them that I'm not going to be able to make it, and then all the senti blackmailing and everything, because I had a lot of work lined up because of my pursuing my master's degree. So I was busy with exams and all the work was pending. So I said, you guys carry on. But my younger one kind of persuaded me. So I said, okay, in the name of life, let's go. And what a fun it was. It was over the top entertaining, very amazing. I had the fun of my life. Yeah, so how come IPL inspired me to make a video? Yeah, alright, so this is what it is. Right behind where we were sitting, okay, yesterday was Gujarat Titans and Mumbai Indians, and me being a Mumbaikar, supporter of Mumbai, yay, Mumbai should win, and Mumbai won, we were happy. So there's this boy sitting in the row behind us, yeah, and he was sitting there, and he's shouting slogans and this and that, very excited, so great, yeah. And Mumbai hit a 6, yeah, Mumbai team Rohit Sharma hit a 6, and they're saying Rohit, and he hit a 6, and this boy goes, yeah, he goes up and all the shouting and everything, and great. So we're also happy, everybody cheering. The next thing you get to see Rohit Sharma out. The whole stall is quiet. We just went, oh no. And pop, this boy comes up. He's wearing Gujarat Titans shirt. Okay, oh my god, what is this? And he goes, yeah, go, Gujarat Titans go. He's going like that. We are everybody looking at him in disbelief. What is this? Now, the next guy that comes in, he hits a 6. Again, this man is seen in Mumbai Indians t-shirt. Okay, the Gujarat t-shirt which he was wearing when he was going, yeah, that's gone. So now again he's seen in Mumbai Indians t-shirt, and he's saying, yeah, and he's all over the place again, doing poo, and this and that and all the fun. Now we're very surprised. What is with this man? The entire stall is very surprised. What is with this boy? So people are saying, tu kiski taraf hai? Mumbai ki taraf hai ya Gujarat ki taraf hai? And he looks at them and he says, "मैं मेरी तरफ हूँ." It inspired me to make this video. Each one of us paid money to go and sit there, and a good amount of money. Yeah, IPL doesn't come easy. Yeah, that ticket is good amount of money. So each one of us paid, and imagine we are purchasing frustration when our favorite team is not winning. Oh shit! Yeah, whoa, I lost this thing, I lost my money. Not that we were betting, but lost because I came all the way to see Mumbai win. We are building frustration inside. Yeah, is that why we got the ticket? Is that why we spent the precious time which we could have spent doing something else? But our brain is so conditioned, no. Only when I get a particular kind of result am I going to be happy. That boy who was barely 16 or 17 yesterday taught me a very important life lesson. You can choose to be happy any which ways. You can choose to be happy with any outcome. As a mother of a kid with autism, I can say, yeah, my son got it, excellent, he cracked it. Or I can say, yeah, I learned why he's not getting it. Because he scored less here, and now I'm gonna work on this, and he's gonna get it. Yeah, that's a choice. Or I can say, I'm doomed, I'm finished. He didn't do anything. We worked so hard, yeah? Just like so many of them were saying, why did I have to spend on the ticket? This is ridiculous. What is Mumbai doing? So their blood pressure is rising, huh? And this boy, all he did was pay for the ticket and then pay for 2 t-shirts, which he bought. I don't know if they were original or he bought it from the outside, so he got them dirt cheap. I don't know. Yeah. The minute he sees a 6, yeah, Mumbai Indian was batting. He wears the Mumbai t-shirt and he goes, yeah. The minute he says somebody getting out, he quickly removes it. He takes the t-shirt in his hand and now it's the Gujarat Titans. He goes, yeah. He is happy. By the time the man would have gone home, that young boy would have gone home, he would have gone home happy, having received the value of the money he spent and having enjoyed the time that he put in watching the IPL. As opposed to a lot of others who, by virtue of the fact that they were supporting one team or the other, would have gone back disappointed. That learn to enjoy. Yeah. And the second point is that which I learned was, you don't need only textbooks or authors. Okay, this is not affiliate marketing. I found this book very interesting, so I picked it up. Yeah, I'm gonna read it now. Yeah, or really established authors, yeah, to teach you stuff. A 16-17-year-old kid can teach you a lot about life. We just have to keep our eyes open and know that each human being out there is a teacher to us, that is teaching us something. And I thanked God at that moment that the reason why probably he came and sat in the same stall and not somewhere else was divine conspiracy, that God wanted me to learn that, girl, you take things too personally sometimes. See, this is the way to live your life. Yeah. So stay happy. Yeah. And I learned it in another training program which I'm sharing with you. If success happens, thank you, God. If failure happens, thank you, God. Something better is coming. Yeah. Which was a practical demonstration of what he was doing. One side winning, great. Another side winning, great. Which side are you on? I'm on my side. I'm on my side. And I need to be happy. Yeah. So on that note, stay happy, stay excited, stay like that mad kid, keep changing the t-shirts, keep supporting this and keep supporting that, and keep achieving and keep living. Autism is not the end of the world. Yeah, your kid's autism is not the end of the world. It's the beginning, because it's making you wiser, it's helping you, it is helping you understand the finer points and helping you be in gratitude and see the positives in your child and celebrate just the same way as you would celebrate big wins. Yeah, because in my small little life of 45 years, I've come across all sorts of situations. I've seen a parent saying, wow, my kid learned to write in 8 months, now he can write A, and she's so happy. And I've seen another parent saying, I think I will get into depression, my kid scored 83% marks, what's going to happen to her? And this is a neurotypical parent. Okay, unlike a parent of a neurotypical kid. So saying, my kid scored 83% marks, it's the time of 98 and 99, what's going to happen to my kid? I think the art of living your life was well learnt by that parent who said 6 months or 8 months and my child can write an A. Yeah, we came here to be happy. We came here to celebrate. So let's just do that. And all along in the journey, we came here to learn. May each kid win. May each human being win. May each one of us be able to say, I am on my side.